Hello my love, it's Nicole Charnel here. Welcome back to my channel. And as you can see from today's title, we are talking about wrapping up and reflecting for 2023 so we can get ready for the new year. That's something. And if you don't know, my name is Nicole Charnel. Welcome back to my channel. I do videos on healthy intentional living, and that is just living your healthy life with intention. If you're new here, I am a single mom of two lovely children who are kind of older. One is 12 and one is 10. I do work a full-time job, as well as I have a second job just to make a little extra coin, as well as I do this YouTube channel. Also, my children are in sports. My daughter does dance and my son does basketball. So the reason why I do stuff like this, wrapping up and reflecting for the new year, is because I have goals of my own. I want to be able to reach my goals. Anytime I set a goal, I want to be able to reach it. It's not just about it being a new year, but it's really just about achieving your goals across the board. This wrap up and reflection routine will definitely help you prepare for the new year and be able to have a good new year. You have to take the time to look back over the year and see what you've done. Also gave you a little background of who I am and what I'm doing in life to let you know that you don't have to live some glamorous social media influencer life to do these types of routines and for them to be beneficial for you. When I started prepping for this video, I literally already looked back at my 2022 reflection and as I was getting ready for 2023, and it blew my mind that the fact that literally my goals were exactly the things that I were trying to achieve all year, and some of them that I did, and the fact that I stayed focused. And even though I didn't achieve everything, it just made me feel good that I stayed true to myself, true to my vision, and that makes me feel like I had a good year. I also know I have a good year, had a good year is because the things that I got done this year, I set goals and I achieved them. I wanted to be in a certain place. I wanted certain things to look a certain way, and they do, me now looking back on them and reflecting, and that just makes me feel good. It makes me feel so good. So this process is definitely necessary. So if you've never done anything like this, don't worry. I have a great Notion template for you that you can use to create this process or put it together for yourself, for your own life. It'll be linked down in the description box below if you want to check it out. I also have a link down there. It is an affiliate link for the Notion Premium. For just $10 a month, you can step up your Notion game and you can get a little bit of those extras, including the Notion AI, which is amazing. I love that feature of the premium package with Notion. But if you are interested, there is a link down there. Like I said, it's an affiliate link, so it'll give me a little bit of coin in my pocket. But if not, Notion is a free app that you can download to use to help organize your life. Just literally everything. I love Notion. I will be doing a Notion tour coming up soon. Someone did ask me for it in a previous video. I'll get to it when I can, but I've already have some videos in the works about Notion and how I use it for my life. We're gonna go ahead and jump right on to Notion, and I'm gonna show you my wrap up and reflection process for this year and getting ready for the new year. We have the screen recording going. Literally my laptop is in my lap, so when I look down, just looking at my laptop, here is just my space. If you are 90s baby, you know what my space is. But anyway, this is my space for all of my links, all my pages, and all that. It's not even a dashboard. It's just literally, I just put all my things together. So here I'm going to go into my vision. Now, if you don't know, I make a vision board every year, and I made my vision board digitally, I think last year, maybe even the year before last, but I think just last year is the first time. But I have them separated out into categories, and then within the little category, I just have a little drop down of what I want it to look like. So eventually I want to buy a Jeep. I want to buy this Jeep in cash, my friend, my guy. I wanted to have 4 doors. I wanted to have big wheels. I wanted to have a hard top. I'm okay with the soft top, but I think I really want a hard top, okay? But either way, this is my vision, okay? But like the biggest part of this vision for me is the fact that I want to buy it in cash. So that means my financial goals need to be in place. So I also have, I think I have a financial one on here, but not really. Oh, yes, I do. Yeah, I thought I did. But yeah, so either way, I'm not going to go into all of this. I'll go into it on another video. I think I want to do a vision board video. I don't know, but because I literally just did a video on like vision board prompts that have like helped me revamp my vision. So I don't know, we'll see. But either way, on to what we need to be on to. This is my reflect and reset for 2022 to 2023. So what I need to do is I have the template saved down here at the bottom, and I'm just going to duplicate this, my guy. And at the top, it tells you this is a template. This template has been designed to reflect on the year that has passed and to focus on your goals for the year to come. Then it has a cute little quote. I guess it's cute, a nice quote. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. So this is the 2022 reflection. I really need to change this to 2023. Yes, I do. Change it to serif. And then it has little prompts in here. So this is my reflection right here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and fill this in, and then we're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about my year, how I felt about it, all the good things. Let's go. All right, I filled this out. I've answered the prompts. Now we're just going to go through them. So what was your biggest success for this year? Create a financial plan for myself and my children. I wrote another one, but that was the first one. Like, financially, and paying attention to my finances this year has been such a game changer for me. I've been able to do so many things, plan so many things, achieve things because of having a financial goal, because of budgeting and all that. And like, that's my first biggest success. The second one would have to be with, like, I started a new YouTube channel last year and I've continued on with it and I've grown. My channel has grown and I'm enjoying the journey. I really am enjoying that. What is the single biggest challenge you've overcame this year? My financial situation, because I am a one income household, I had to really pay attention to my finances, and I used to think of it as like, this is such a crutch for me. I'm never gonna be able to do this. It needs to be two people, and it doesn't. I just have to make different types of sacrifices that other people don't have to make, and I have to make other decisions and really pay attention to my money. And that is what this year, that's just like, that is something that it was super challenging for me at the beginning of the year, but I figured it out. Like, yes, I did get a second job, but it's something that I can do. It's maintainable for me. I've been doing it now for almost 6 months, and it's possible, and I can make a change in my life financially, and that is what really I've been trying to do, and it's happening, and I feel so good about it. I'm so excited. How did I grow in the past year? I grew, I think, I want to say a lot spiritually. I think I have a lot more growing to do spiritually, especially with reading my Bible every day, talking to God every day, you know, spending time with him. Like, that's something that I'm really looking forward to doing in the upcoming days, weeks, months, years. But also financially, with this new way of thinking and living for me, is definitely something that I've grown in this past year, and I want to continue on with that, and it makes me feel really good. Like, literally, a financial goal has been part of my 12-week year for like the last 12-week years. I think it was since my very first one, if not my second one. So it's definitely in the forefront of my brain, and it's something that I have grown in. And also with that, I want to keep growing in it. You know, I want to keep going. I want to keep getting better. What is the most positive, memorable moment? Spending a day with my children and being able to afford it. I like to do things with them. I like to spend time with them, like literally just like a full day of just me and them, and like doing things and going places and seeing things, and then just being able to afford it. Just game changer. Like, to not be able to stress about when they're hungry that I have to buy food and we're out, so it costs more money, you know what I'm saying? Like, but to be able to plan it, have the money for it, and then execute it. Oh my gosh. One of the things that we did, we went to Hershey Park one day, and it was like a group trip with other people, but the fact that we could go and I could buy something for them, and if they wanted it, and we could buy food and not have to worry about it, like that just like took so much pressure off of me for that day. It really allowed us to enjoy the day, and it was a great day. It was a great day. Something that I learned this past year was how to budget my money. If you can't tell, I worked on my financials this year, and it was great. But yes, budgeting, huge. I even read or listened to a financial audiobook that I really enjoyed, which was A Black Girl's Guide to Financial Freedom. I'll put it up on the screen. It was really good, and then it also helped me solidify. I learned who Dave Ramsey was. I didn't even know who he was, but I learned about him and like his way of things, which is really connected to like the spiritual way of using your money and managing your money. So yeah, that's my biggest learn for the year. And then what is a new positive habit that I gained this year? Budgeting. and also reading nonfiction. Like I just talked about the book that I read, and then and budgeting. Like I mean, money isn't everything, no, but not having to stress about it takes off a lot of stress. It really does. Like it added something so much more to my life because I started budgeting, because I started literally paying attention to my money and pinching my pennies and watching what I was doing. And it made me able to do so many other things. It allowed me to book a cruise, a group cruise. Oh my God, I'm so excited for this group cruise. It's in the next year. It's in 2024. It's in February. I'm so excited about it. And I've been wanting to go for so long on a group cruise, and the fact that I was able to budget my money, save, and pay for it. Let me just give myself my flowers. That is like my reflection. Once again, this will all be in the template. When you get it, you can change the year and all that and fill it in yourself. Now back to the reflect and set. So 2024 goals, and then this part at the bottom here is not filled out because I'll be doing a 12-week, well, I'm gonna show you, it's not filled out. I'll be doing a 12-week year video, and when I do that portion of the video, I'll do that portion, because basically I'm just gonna take the overall goals and then I'm gonna break them down into what into how I would put them into a 12-week year setting. Basically, if you don't know what a 12-week year is, please check out my channel. I have so many videos on the 12-week year, how you can apply it to your life, how you can use it. I think I'm gonna do an updated video of it overall, like an overall video of what the 12-week year is and how it can really unlock your potential to achieve goals. Amazing. So this portion, my 2024 goals, 1 to 2 year goals. First, fitness. And it's crazy because this was literally on my last one. I didn't quite achieve my pull-ups on my handstands, so I'm going to continue to work on them. And my strength, like literally that's overall just my calisthenic strength, my body strength. And then stretching and yoga. I've been wanting to get into yoga and Pilates and all that. I just haven't gotten into it. So I need to just go ahead and do it. So I'm putting it on here as a goal to add it into my routine. I definitely need to add it in. It is a plus. It will be a plus for me and my body and like it growing and changing and all that. So I'm gonna add that in. Income goal. I guess this really isn't an income goal. It's more like a debt goal, but I want to pay off my credit card in full. Yeah, it's still currently in the 2000s and I want to get it to 0. Period, point blank, poo. I want to make 60K in the year 2024. That's what I want to make. Be it with my side hustles. I really want to get a raise and get a new position at my job, but that also is based off a circumstance of other things, not just me. But I'm definitely going to work on this. Definitely going to work on my income career goal. It's gonna be a thing for 2024. Don't you worry. Knowledge goal. I want to read 6 nonfiction books. After this year, I've read the most nonfiction books that I have read ever in my life in this year. I read, and it was only like 4. It literally was 4 books. But each of them have like impacted my life tremendously. The 12-week year, Getting Things Done by David Allen. Like, that's not even part of the title. That's like the author. And Black Girl's Guide to Financial Freedom, and Atomic Habits. Oh my God. These 4 books, bruh, just get them. Just get them, read them, just listen to the summary. You will want to better yourself with these books. They're so good. But yeah, so I want to read 6 this time. I'm adding 2 more. I can read 6, especially since those ones I did do audiobooks for them. I didn't even read them, but just like I want to be able to like apply, and sometimes I'm listening and I zone out. So there's that. Health goal. I want to maintain a weight between 160 and 165. Just let you know I currently weigh about 185. So I have to lose 20 pounds. And then I'm gonna maintain. That's what's gonna happen. But that just goes along with what I need to focus on right now. And I literally talked about in my last video was I need to focus on my eating. I need to focus on drinking my agua. and not drinking so much. I focus on my health, period. To me, just writing what I want my weight to be and how I want to maintain my weight, that to me says I want to eat right, I want to maintain my fitness journey and my weight journey. Like, that says it all to me. I mean, you can write it out if you want, but to me, that says it all. Lastly, materialistic goal, which was actually the same materialistic goal as last year, is I want to move out of my parents' house. Yes, I am a 37-year-old woman living at home with my parents. That's all gonna change. Don't worry, it's gonna change. 2024 is my year for me to move out. This is it. This is it. We're going, okay? But once again, it kind of depends on circumstance, just a little bit, just a little tiny bit of circumstance. But I need to be able to make more money, and that's a goal as well. So we're gonna make it happen. It's gonna happen. I'm so excited for this next year, and I'm excited because I've been preparing and thinking about it and planning and what I want to do, how I want to change, how I want to grow. And the possibilities are endless. You know, if you just take the time and like think about what you really want, making your vision, like I said, I have a video of vision prompts, just thinking about what you really want for your life and like how can you make it happen. That really will get you in gear. So definitely check out that video about vision and think about what you really want for you and how you can get there, you know, like, period. That's it. Just think about that, and you can really change your life as long as you just keep your eye on that vision, on that goal. But reflection is definitely a big part of that as well, looking back on where you came from and how you can change for the future. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you. Once again, the template will be down below of the reflect and set for the new year from 2023 to 2024. The new year is right around the corner. I hope you're ready, because I'm getting ready. We can get ready together. If you have any comments, questions, considerations, leave them down below in the comment box. If you haven't subscribed, please do so by hitting my face down below. And I will actually link that video on the screen about my video prompts and about my vision prompts and how you can revamp your vision. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.